Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we got a 48-inch GEC ceiling fan from the early 90s or the early 2000s. I'm not entirely sure. I would say it's from the early 90s, but maybe 2000s, I don't know. There's no year in it. I checked on the stickers on the motor. There was no year or anything, so yeah, I'm not sure. But I got this fan yesterday on Facebook Marketplace for free. It was originally for $10, but that guy changed it to free, so I got it for free. The guy did have the bracket and the controller at first, but the day after he thrown out the bracket and the controller for some stupid reason. I don't know why he did, but he did. So yeah. There's a locket on it when I used to lock it. And yeah, these things are pretty common. Usually see these pretty much. So and I like to find a metal version of this, the metal blade version of this thing. So yeah, it's true as well. The brackets are a bit corroded, so I have to fix that at some point. But yeah, I just have it on a generic 3-speed wheel controller, so we're gonna start up on low. Now it does work in summer mode, but the reason I have it in winter mode because it's pretty windy outside, and when it's in summer mode and it's running while it's windy, it sways everywhere, so I have it in winter mode so it doesn't sway everywhere. So yeah, that's why it's in winter mode for this video. These are childhood fans of mine. Has a nice low speed. I do apologise if there's a bit of wind noise in the background. That's just because it's windy outside, like I said. Alright, there's low speed. I'm going to move up to medium. The bearings do have a little bit of a cracking, like crackle noise, but nothing major. My mum's friend's house has 2 of these, well actually no, 3 of these actually. You got one with no locket, the same as this, one with a locket but missing a shade, and one industrial without a locket. The industrial one and the winter blue one without the light shade that have bad capacitors was slow as shit. The third one has a good capacitor. So yeah, I'll have to film them some point when I'm like over there. At some point I will. Alright, this medium, then I'm gonna put it up the high speed. And as you can see, it's actually pretty fast. Hero and GEC have like similar differences. Like the pretty much Hero ceiling fans and the newer GEC ceiling fans have like the same design, like the exact same design. Well, it was a little bit, not bad. Alright, now I'm gonna turn it off. Right now it's stopped, and I'm gonna do 0 to high. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.